Choose the document type you want to work with. I'll go for the YouTube thumbnail. And I'd like to name my document. Let's change the background color to black. And let's go over to the text menu on the sidebar. Let's add the text box and type in our letters. Let's make this all caps. And let's choose our custom font. I'll be working with this font. And I'll go over to spacing. Increase the size. And I will export this as PNG. Let's delete this text and let's enforce the one we just did now. Now let's start copying this. Shows the decay. And this is it, the best position. We'll spread it out as it. And I'll go with it. Now if we go to position and then layer, wherever you see separated, I'm going to go back to text and I'll delete the text button. Do the transform it to secret. I will select this, push it on my keyboard and the transparent text behind, and I'll click on those three dots down the solution. I will do the same for the O and the V and the E. Let's see. And I will add in this. Let me make this page up so near the page you're watching. And on top all the selection you downloaded. Then to arrange and I'll space without even a reset. Let's click out. We'll go to the first image and go to edit. We'll come down and go to markups and click on the markup templates. So you see the standard alphabets onto a markup. We have these three options. You can choose this. I'll leave it on default when you choose and confirm. Again, click on this. Do the same for all the other alphabets. Select the one that is a markup. Confirm. And then to do for this. Select the one that is a markup. And we go for this. And click on create markup templates. I'm going to use this one. Select it and confirm. I'll start a few down with images. Drag and drag this term. Can go to edit. Continue change. Here this edit. Smart call. Let's go to related images how you want to have a good one.